I'm back with another sewing video for a project that I made low-key a long time ago by the time I actually get around to posting this video for a few of my cousin's kids when I last visited them in Toronto. Long story short, my main inspiration for this sewing project came from a reel I saw on Instagram. This girl upcycled an old pair of jeans to make mini backpacks, and these backpacks were in the shape of whale sharks, and I thought it was literally the cutest thing ever. I knew the second that I saw it, I had to recreate this for all of my nieces and nephew in an active effort to try to win over their love. Did it work? Let's hope so. This project also worked out perfectly because over the years, I've just accumulated a lot of denim and it's just been collecting dust in my room, waiting for a project exactly like this. So, long story short, I found this super simple pattern on Etsy for a whale shark backpack, and I literally followed the pattern. Except the thing was, because I love to literally make everything exceptionally difficult for myself, instead of sewing one backpack, I decided to sew 4 whale shark backpacks, essentially one backpack for each of my cousin's kids. And I also was working under a super short time schedule, aka I started sewing these bags literally the day before I left for Canada. Is this exactly like the leve dress scenario 2.0? Yes, it is. And if you're curious about what I'm talking about, check out this video. Anyways, please enjoy this wholesome cutie sewing vlog. Hello. Excuse the crusty nails, but I just wanted to show all of the pieces and materials and everything I cut them out of because I'm really excited about it. But these are basically the outer pieces of the fabric, and I essentially just like cut them out of like thrifted jeans / old jeans that I had, and I did mix and match with the colors a little bit because I'm making 4 bags. I kind of wanted all of them to have just different color schemes, and so for like example for these fins, you can see these are like parts of the pocket. Yeah, these are the different parts of the outer part of the bag. And then the next thing that I'm really excited about is I cut up an old thrifted Hawaiian shirt for all of the lining fabrics, just because it was like literally sitting in like my sewing stash, and I was like, I don't know the next time I'm gonna use this. And then another funny thing is I thrift flipped a shirt a while ago, and like I cut the bottom of it, so I still had that like large piece of scrap fabric just sitting around. So the lining pieces are gonna be a little mix and matched, but it's okay because it's the inside of the bag and I'm upcycling and using just things that I had lying around in my house. So I'm really excited about that. Woo. Hello everyone, this is probably my first live update with the whale shark bags. It is actively 12:33 in the morning right now. I don't know if you can see that. Another thing I wanted to show off, it's hot, but I have a candle here right now. Ooh, spooky vibes. I'm legitimately burning the midnight oil with this project. You know what? I honestly can't even complain. I have no one to blame but myself. And if it isn't the consequences of my own actions, but I'm starting to reach like Delulu territory because it feels like I'm so close. Like I could finish this within an hour, but at the same time, it also feels like I'm so far. And the amount of commentary, YouTube videos and podcasts and everything that I've listened to is starting to make my brain turn into mush. All of that complaining and like stress aside, I'm actually so excited about this project. I think it's gonna be so cutie girl and so adorable, and I hope my nieces and nephew really like this. They're also like actively children, so like no pressure, but yeah. Either way, update. Let me show you guys what I have accomplished. So another reason why I feel like this project is taking me so long is not just because I'm only making one bag. No. I'm making 4 whole bags. So I have to do every single process 4 times. I have somewhat finished the outer shell of the bags. Let me show you. I know I'm not supposed to pick favorites with bags, but I'm so excited about how I upcycled this bag, specifically like this section from a part of it, jeans, like the back side, and this is like the back pocket. And I think it's like really cute that this shark has like a little spot on its eye. But as you can see, I've like finished the outer shell of the backpack. The inside is still like raw fabric, and I've added the dorsal fin, but also the mother freaking pectoral fins, okay? Yeah, I did that. I also added the loops for the backpack straps. Another thing I've finished are the backpack linings. Here you go. This is what the inside of the backpack is gonna look like. I've also finished like the back fin, like sewing the piece for it, but the pattern requires that I fill this up with stuffing and then like sew a little channel along the fin, and I'm honestly kind of nervous that it's gonna take such an incredibly long amount of time. But one final detail I wanted to share was that I have a whole bag of stuffing that I've had for years. If there's one lesson from this project, it is the benefits of hoarding things for the possibility of using it for a future project, because here the frick I am using my hoarded stuff for a future project. But another thing that I'm really excited about is y'all probably seen in like the background of like any of my sewing videos, I just have this. Here she is in all of her glory. Literally anytime I sew, I low-key, high-key love to accumulate all of the thread. So there's a lot of thread and I don't want to be wasteful. So I'm going to mix this thread in with the stuffing and stuff it into the tails. But yeah, I'm feeling delusional. I'm feeling super tired. And yeah, I'm just hoping to finish this in a relatively decent amount of time, but I honestly don't have faith in myself. Okay, I'm starting to ramble now. I'm gonna get started with sewing and legitimately burning this midnight oil. Vlog. I look naked, but I have a top, and I'm here with some Toronto mans and Toronto girlies. What? It's so dark, people can't see, but my cousins.
Wow, that's racist, Lara.
Wow. That's not going in the vlog. That's not making the cut.
You should put it in the vlog. That's actually so hilarious.
Edit that out.
Either way, this is my oldest cousin, Majid Bhaiya. This is his wife, Joyapu. And for those non-Bengali viewers, I'm saying Bhaiya and Apu because it's respectful, okay? But this is our first time ever cousins night out! And I'm so excited. And Majid Bhaiya bullied me into making a video and vlogging, okay? So this is because of Majid Bhaiya. Majid Bhaiya, how do you feel about these allegations?
Oh, love
That
it.
you bullied me?
Oh, it toughened you up, so you're good.
Bro, do you have a final vlog update?
Let's have an awesome time, everybody.
Woo! The finished product of my shark bags. As you can see from the back, these are where the seams are. This is what the top fin looks like. This is what the side fin looks like. And I'm really excited about this bag because I cut this main piece from the pocket, and so it looks like this shark has a little spot on its eye. And how it works is it's like a little backpack like this. It goes like this, and then you unzip it from the inside, boom, and then you can put things inside, boom, shark bag. And then I have a special guest videotaping.
Hi.
This is Majid Bhaiya's review of the shark bag. Go.
Oh, that bag can hold everything that a 3-year-old would need for their day-to-day activities. From a water bottle to a couple of toys. It's custom made for their pleasure. Thank you.